Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Septedy Indrajannah with the student ID number 42222111006, fifth semester, and today I will explain and demonstration for a simulation swarm robots in Webots. In this simulation, I'm using two robots. This is for a leader robot and other is for follower. In the right side, we can see the controller program of the robots. This is for a leader and this is for follower. And then I will explain the leader controller. If you can see from controller input robot, camera, GPS, EMU, and emitter. Robots is main class to with the Webots main class to interact to the Webot simulation. And for the camera, GPS, IMO, and emitter is for specific device for vision, localization, orientation, and communication. Random for generating random numbers. Used in decision making in this simulation. And last, JSON is to format message as a JSON for communication. Okay, you can see the time step. Time step is 64, defines the simulation time step in millisecond, synchronizing device updates. And then this is for initialize robot, its default time step. And motor kanan depan, motor kanan belakang, motor kiri. This is for initialize actuator motor, and this is for enable the motor. Set position is infinity and set velocity is 0.0. This is for distance sensor in this robot. This robot using the GPS for share the position, EMU, camera, emitter, and receiver. For the focal length and nose size, focal length and nose size define parameter for object detection. Focal length and no object size through unused here. And for the chosen direction is tracks the direction left or right chosen of avoid obstacles. This is for a set velocity motor, left speed and right speed. Okay, this is the main function main. It's like a loop, function loop in Arduino IDE. In this, depan value, kanan value, kiri value, and belakang value is reach obstacle distance from all distance sensors. Current pose in this is for reach the robot position GPS and orientation from GPS and IMO yaw angle. And then this is encoder this data as a JSON and broadcast it using emitter. This is algorithm for avoid obstacles. This decision for if the front of the distance sensor, the robot will making decision for uh, through the left or through the right, and this is this decision is for if the distance sensor, right distance sensor or left distance sensor, the robot will turn right or turn left. And then when the arena is not obstacle around the robots will checking the area, and then the robots will move forward for a random duration. And this is like a program algorithm before. And here we go, we can see this simulation. I will speed up for the simulation. This robot is move freely in arena, because this robot is leader role. The robot will freely move. Okay, reset, and here we go. I will explain for the follower robot. Same like a leader program before for the initialization this, but for the follower I added the calculate distance and is red depth is red is for make the robot will tracking the object by the color, and I program for the simulation is for red color. Okay, I will setting this robot will can move with the follower controller. Here we go. If this robot see the red object on the leader robot, the follower will tracking and chasing the leader robot. Calculate distance is for calculating distance from the camera, but it's not accurate. Okay, for Euclidean is for calculate the straight line distance between 2 points, and for the get angle to target is for determines the angles between the robot's current position and the target. The calculate follow position is for directly behind the leader robot based on the orientation yaw direction, yaw axis. And then this is the function main. This is for initialize control parameter and target position variables. Global chosen direction is like leader before, leader code before. Okay, if receiver get key length is for a receive position and orientation data from the leader robots and calculates the desired follow position. Distance to target, blah blah blah, and for all this code is using for move the robot towards the target using the proportional angle correction, and for this object recognize object, this is the recognized object is from the camera. As we can see in this simulation, we can see the stroke red in camera. This is recognized, and I setting this recognize will tracking for the red object. As we can see, this is if it's red color array, the robot will detect, and then when robot detect this object, robot will chasing the leader robot, and then when the distance from the follower to the leader, when the distance is so close like this, the robot will keep distance only using the camera. So you can see if this robot stop, the follower will stop also. And then this is like algorithm before. This is for avoid the obstacle when the robot move, and then around the robot has obstacle, the robot will avoid it, and then the robot back to normal forward move, and yeah, finding the leader robot. Okay, as you can see, the robot always behind from the leader and always chasing and keep distancing from the leader robot. Okay, thank you for attention, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.